Hello, Skellyboy223 here, and welcome back to another video. I apologise that I'm in a mission because I tried recording this once and I was called. So yeah, I've had to redo everything, so it's basically just skip to where I'm here. So all that footage that I just did was lost. So basically I was finding missions to do and well I found it, so I can see why I didn't do this one. This one's hard because I've got slippery rails and this isn't really the best vehicle to use. Oh, I'll give it a try though. Or I'll go to a different zone. Oh god. I'm probably not gonna win because I suck at this. Whoa! It really doesn't help. This is hard. Like really hard. It's alright if I'm on there. It's just when I'm on the ice, I literally have no control. No penguins! Oh god! That's what happens when I hit the egg. Oh, we're just going to return to Showdown Town. And I'm going to go to a different zone and see what else there is to do. I'm a little bit annoyed now because I just lost some footage. But you know what, oh well. It's for the sake of the video, not me. Okay, we're back. We're going to jump into some action. Splash. At least the position of my webcam is better than usual. Because I have a tripod that I've sat it on and it's done quite the job. Animation, nope, done that. I know all the Nutty Acres ones are done. Should I go into that new... You know what, next episode I will go into the final mission and give it a go. If I don't do it the first time, I'll try it again in the 5th episode and then hopefully complete it. But this episode I'm basically just doing some more missions to get more jiggies, to do all that good stuff. Which is good. Boys! Bang. Oh! You will never catch me. I can spring everywhere. Oh god. Ah! Laser! Nope, done that. All I can hear is just Nino, Nino, Nino. Please go away. Go away. Let's go into one of the logbox missions, because I know one of them need doing. One is done, 2 is done, 3 is done, 4 is done, 5, no, 5 isn't done. Go into logbox Act 5 then. I see my thingy is a little bit out on the case. There you go, much better. It was facing a little bit to the side, so there you go, fixed it. Also wanted to say that on the beginning of December, which we all know is the beginning of Christmas, I will start doing Christmas themed songs on the second channel. As you know, is where I do a lot of Nightcore videos and stuff there. So just while I'm here, I wanted to say that at the beginning of December I'll start doing Christmassy Nightcore songs. So yeah. And also I want to try, I'm going to also release a video that's kind of like a compilation of all the videos that I've done so far, of some of my favourites, I'd say. But not right now, because that would take a little bit of time, and I don't really see me really needing to do it now, because I'm making this video now because I literally just uploaded this video as I'm telling you this. In real time, I'm probably working. I'm probably Okay, bye. I don't see any missions. It really doesn't help not seeing any missions. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, man. They're going to try and shoot at me, but they're going to fail. I'm going to crash. It's going to do that! No, I guess not. Ow. If you crash into certain things, it makes it lag. Or, I mean, makes it go glowy screened or something. I can't see any missions. Like, nowhere. And I can't see any JoJo's or whatever they're called, because they're pretty hard to find on their own. This is what happens if you crash into one of these. That. Whoa! Crud, 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 ow! Crud, 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 no! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Ow, ow! Can't do that. I can't find anything. No, why did I go on to that? I did not need to go on to that. Oh, I did not need to do that. I guess what I'm going to do is return to Showdown Town. As so. Going to a different place and try and find some more missions, and then I guess end vid, because it's been 7 minutes already, and I think I've usually do videos that are longer than that, or shorter, I don't know, so I've got to be pretty quick on this. So yeah, I'm thinking about doing some more new series, apart from Minecraft. The only other series that I have is this, because I've stopped the Rayman Legends series, and this is literally the only other one. Ow, ow, ow! Mate, what was that for? Mate! Crash. Or splash, should I say. In here. Free. Found all free. Oh wow. Well, what zones are there to be cleared then, if I've done most of them? I don't know, I think we're just gonna try and hunt for more boxes then, instead. Because sometimes what I do is stay in Showdown Town and hunt for boxes. Because the boxes contain parts, so I can build more vehicles. We are going to destroy this thing. Yeah, I don't think... Whee! You can't get me. Ow! You know what, should we give Klungo's game a go? Should we give Klungo's game a go? And then end the video after that. Yeah? He's there. Wait! Ugh! That turned off. I don't want that to do that. Clungo, I'm here to give your game a go. Just do it, I guess. And then I guess afterwards we'll start do the video. Bad. So this is pretty decent. Basically just have to jump over these things. If I hit them, I die. Whoa! 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 Nope, died. That ain't good. Let's try this one first. I mainly have to jump over these, which I think will hopefully be pretty easy. Whoa! Oh! 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 No! I quit. Let's go back. Thanks for the opportunity, Clungo, my main man. But ow, 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 ow. I've got places to go and places to be. So let's talk to that bloke. Let's talk to the bloke. Let's go talk to him. Jigtastic. No, can't do anything. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do now is end the video here. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and all I can say now is goodbye.